If you are looking for an amazing beverage cooler to keep your beverages cool, whether that be beer, wine, sodas, whatever, you're absolutely going to love this. I had this for about 2 weeks now and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna show you exactly how it came packaged, everything that comes with it inside. So let's get into that, then I'll run through exactly how this works and let's get into it. All right, just got the beverage cooler out of the package. It's in our kitchen right now. Just kind of wanted to show you, this is the box that it came in. Came super well packaged. I mean, took about 15 minutes to unbox it, but really like this a lot. This is what it looks like on the inside right over here. We have instructions right over here. We have the handle. We have some racks in here. So we're gonna get this all set up. We're gonna get it loaded up and I'll show you exactly what it looks like. All right, so this is what comes inside the actual fridge. So we got some screws over here. We got these little blockers here. We got a set of keys because this does lock. We have these pieces here, and we have 4 of these. The glass door is reversed, so there are instructions how to do that. So if you wanted to open on the right-hand side, you could do that. If you wanted to open it on the left, how it comes, you could do that. You also get this helpful instruction manual. Now let's check out all the cool things the fridge does. All right, so before we get this plugged in, just kind of want to show you the back. This is what it looks like. We got a grill here. You can see everything down there. Some things over here, you can see the model, the voltage, everything that you need in that case right over there. So let's get this plugged in. It just has a normal plug. I'm just gonna put it in this wall and then you'll see what it looks like exactly. All right, so we have the whole thing set up. Absolutely love it. You can fit 180 cans. We have this in our kitchen. This is 22 by 24 by 34 approximately. You could put this under a countertop as well, which is great. We have the glass door. We have an LED light. As I mentioned before, this door could be reversed. So if you wanted this handle on the other side, they have instructions on how to reverse that. It comes with 2 keys that you can lock this beverage fridge with in case you wanted to do that. No big deal. You just do that. This handle, super easy to install. It's gonna come just off like that. And then you go to the back right over here. You'll see there's a screw there and a screw down there. Simply just screwed in and you're good to go. This is what it looks like on the inside right over here. We have it filled with some beverages. Again, 180. These shelves right here are adjustable. You can see how deep that goes back, which is really nice. I have a bunch of standard cans right over here. And we got 2, 4, 6, 7 cans right there. Again, these are adjustable. I like to have this bottom shelf here for some wine and champagne and things like that. You could also do tall cans, which I really like at this height as well. So these are 16 ounces, these are 12 ounces. And then of course, if you have like those slim cans, you could fit those right here. You could do 2 back on these, so they could just go like that if you wanted to. And then you could do a bunch across if you wanted to as well. Really like that. I love the fact when you pull this out, not all the cans go everywhere. Super sturdy and stable. You can see me just push that back in. Super easy. As soon as you shut this like that, the light will go off. If you want to keep it on at all times, you just hit that, and then when you shut it, it'll be on at all times. So if you have guests or company, kind of want to show off your fridge, you can keep that light on. Again, super easy to set up. As soon as you get it, you literally just put the handle on, and you are good to go. So if you're looking for an amazing beverage fridge that can hold 180 cans, to go under a counter or just be freestanding, you will absolutely love this. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.